pay no attention to the tubing roller. We're not talking about that one yet. But a long time ago, as a younger man, I saw on the internets a really cool thing from a company called Swag Off-Road. And it was a DIY weld-together press brake kit. I looked at it, and I thought, that's cool, I need one. So I already had a press, and looked at the price, looked at the bank account, was not in the cards at the time, so I had some scrap and I built one. Anyways, it has collected dust for a long time, and basically how it works is you put the, it slides up and down, bends brackets and stuff. I have a Jeep I'm trying to finish here soon. So sometimes it's very important to just work on the workshop. So this is just going to be a quick little one-night build. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I don't just destroy this thing on accident and have to do a bunch of extra welding. I don't think I am, but who knows. Alright, so what are we working with? We're working with an old-fashioned Central Machinery 20-ton hydraulic press from Harbor Freight. These are pretty cool. They've got this piece in the middle that you can adjust up and down as you need, and they work pretty well. But I want one that's bench top, that can live on the bench top, that if I need to, that it can be this height, right, forever. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop the channel off right there, make sure it's nice and square, weld everything up, see how it goes. We're going to have to put some legs on it to stabilize it. That's going to be an issue. I can already foresee, but it's not going to be a problem. We're going to have lots of extra material. And I bought a new grinder, which we just reviewed on the last video. So I kind of want to use it. All right, let's get this thing broken apart. Well, that was super fun having that fall on my head. Got all the parts detached from the frame. So I'm gonna put it up here on the table, clamp it down, and then finally go get this new grinder I've been messing with and see how it works. Not that I'm begrudging the workmanship of the Harbor Freight shop press that I bought a decade ago, but we're going to do some measuring to make sure everything's sort of square. I'm actually measuring from the top I-beam piece, the top mount. We're going to measure down and just make sure that everything we do, it's nice and square. Down here to 32 inches. 32 inches in measurement mark. And then use the speed square to transfer that mark all the way around. That piece will get welded in right there. Oh, I can see an issue here already. So here's the issue. If we weld this side out on top, great, we got great fitment, but here on the bottom, we do not have great fitment. Not only is it crooked, but it's not even side to side. So we are going to end up having to cut these out, I think. Challenges to overcome. got everything cut up, cleaned up. Ooh, look at the actual surface prep. Sorta. Heat will cover some sins, I think. So let's get this burned in. I am critically low on weld gas, so we're going to use the last of it up. Hopefully we can get all this done so we don't have to switch to the stick welder, but let's go welding. All right, step one complete. I got it cut down, welded together, and now I'm gonna put everything back like that. So we got the 20-ton shop press converted into a tabletop press brake. It's pretty solid. I was worried I was gonna have to put some legs on it, but I think that once I get everything put together, it's heavy enough. It's not flipping over. Hopefully. Last thing we gotta do is test this thing out and see how it works. Piece of 1/4-inch plate, about 2.5 inches wide. Boom. There we have it. Look at that. A nice 90-ish degree bracket. Alright, let's see how close did we get. Pretty dang close. Not quite a perfect 90, but if I had to actually get a super perfect 90, or if I needed to go past 90, I could throw some shims. I could probably throw some piece of like 1/8 inch shim on one side and really tighten that thing up. But for homemade piece to be able to bend some 1/4-inch plate, or you know, whatever, I'm pretty happy. Okay, some final thoughts. Alright, so one of the reasons why I wanted to do this project tonight is because I really wanted to talk about the importance of baby steps. Remember that movie, What About Bob? Baby steps. Baby steps around the office. But baby steps in the garage. This is so important on keeping motivation going. I admittedly have lost motivation on a lot of projects, and that's because a lot of times they seem overwhelming. So sometimes just getting quick wins, maybe that's sweeping your shop, maybe that's cleaning and putting your wrenches away, maybe that's building a specific tool for your fab bench. Whatever it is, you know, it's super helpful on our projects. We can't always be pulling the motor and rebuilding it and slapping a trans in there. Sometimes it's just the mundane, regular, normal crap. But I just want to encourage you all that if you have a project you're neglecting, go out there and do some baby steps, right? Go out there, do something really small to help build some momentum. That's what I'm trying to do. Also, it's a bajillion freaking degrees out here in Oklahoma. It's August in Oklahoma, so it's hot. I've sweat like 17 gallons of water this afternoon. But I've got a new shop tool, and you know, don't worry. If I need to do press on bearings or whatever else, I've still got another full-size shop press out on the side yard if I need it. So, what do y'all think? Was this dumb? Is this a good use of this old shop press because I had 2 of them? Should I buy the Swag Off-Road finger brake kit and put it in this? Say yes. Say yes down in the comments if I should do that. And if you want to see that in a video. I know that kit's been around a long time, but I would love to. I've wanted one for a long time. That's why I built mine out of scrap. But anyways, I appreciate you all very much for watching till the end. And go out there, do what you always do, take care of one another, get some baby steps going on your project, and let me know down in the comments what you think of this video. And see you next time. Bye.